A smart collection is something that is done automatically based on criteria that you've set up, whereas a regular collection is something that was done manually. So if you wanted to pick your, let's say you have best recent wedding images, or let's say 2-star wedding images. If you want to, you go to the plus sign, right, and you do create smart collection this time. Okay, instead of create a collection, we're going to create a smart collection. And you click on that and you get a dialog box. And you can give it a name, and we'll call it recent 2-star wedding images. Okay, and you could put it in a collection set if you want to, but you don't have to. So we're going to match all of the following rules. So the rating is greater than or equal to, let's put it down, greater than or equal to, oh, let's say is, that's what I want, 2-star, is 2 stars, okay? That's the first one. And recent, let's pick a time frame. So let's pick date, capture date, is in the range, I don't know if that was the right choice. Oh, is in the last, there we go, okay. Let's pick 6 and let's pick months. Okay, so that's your time frame and your criteria, your rating criteria. And then you want to do keyword. Does anybody see keyword there? File info, other metadata, keyword, okay. Keyword contains wedding. Okay, so you go through, your rating is 2 stars, is 2 stars. Your capture date is in the last 6 months, and your keywords contain the word wedding. All right, and you create that smart collection, which would appear, the smart collections appear towards the top of your collections list. So anytime you added the criteria, where it matched all criteria for those images, it would automatically be populated into that smart collection. So just for example, even though it's not, let's call this a wedding. We'll add the keyword wedding. Okay, and let's give it 2 stars. No, wait a minute, I'm not doing 2 stars there. I want to highlight this and give it 2 stars. I hit the 2 key. So it's 2 stars, it has a keyword, wedding, and I know that it was taken last month. So now if we go back to your smart collections, you'll see that it's been added automatically. I didn't drag it over into the collections. So it's a good way if you want to keep a current portfolio or whatever. If somebody say, hey, what work have you been doing recently? You can do that. You can make a smart collection of all unedited images. So you would know that you have to do that. There are a lot of options if you want to go that route. So it's really up to your needs and what you want to do and how much detail you want to go into. And that's why the keywording I find is really helpful for picking up on stuff later on.